My name's Tommy Coates.
I'm Jessica Coates.
Together we own and operate Transcend Fitness Club. And we also have 3 sons, ages 6, 5, and 4.
I grew up in Feasterville, Langhorne area, and
I grew up in the Council Rock area in Newtown. Jess and I started the company about 10 years ago.
Started the business right out of college, and then from there, started our family as well. So it's been chaotic but interesting.
We might have started with about 50 people. And from then we grew it to 75, then 100, then 2 and 3, and so on.
We worked here from morning till night. We didn't have a staff. We were the staff.
A lot of the trust and the reputation that we built with our members came from the fact that they watched her and I grow up from 20 and 21 to 33 now, and then they watched our kids grow up. Our goal here is to help maintain the health of the community, our family, our friends, people we see in the supermarket. Most recently, with the closure and then us reopening, we've had many people reach out to us, some in tears, simply saying, hey, I don't think you realize, what this movement or you opening has done for me. I have a back problem, knee issue that goes beyond the normal ability to retrain or progress at home. And I now wake up in pain, again, sometimes in tears at home, because I can't get the relief that I need. Being back in the gym has helped me immensely, although I've regressed months at a time where maybe I would have been out of therapy. Now I'm right back in it, but at least now I have a position to do it in.
For a lot of people, it helps keep their blood pressure down. It helps keep them off of the extra medicine that they might be on, because they're able to keep their weight down or just be active.
With the closure, I think all businesses, all people, we're looking for some sort of guidance. Hey, here's the plan. 2 weeks, okay, we can do that. A little odd, but we'll deal. 2 weeks comes and we're gonna push it another 2 weeks. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit tougher now. That aspect is really wearing on people. It's extremely wearing on businesses who support their families, their staff, the families of their staff. It's sort of a snowball effect. When you weigh the factor that you have to feed 3 kids and their futures on the line based on your decisions now, maybe it's not the proper one, that's when it's time to step up.
We did continue to bill our members because we continued to pay our staff. So they helped support our staff. And again, we have an amazing community here. And they did. We had a lot of members who have stepped up and to help us as a family and as a business, and have helped our staff to be able to pay them throughout this whole thing. It meant a lot to us. It means a lot to us and so at that point it was like, well, okay, but we can't just keep doing this. Like, we need to, they need the opportunity to choose as well.
In reopening, our members' safety is our #1 concern. We're all adults here. We all still go shop at the big box stores when you need something, and you see what's going on. And you can use your best judgment to apply that to fit our model. While we have taken steps above and beyond the basics of social distancing, and if you walk in the club, you're gonna see the stickers all over the ground. We encourage wearing masks. We encourage cleaning up your equipment before and after use.
We have one in the gym right now, but are in the process of getting a couple other units that actually go onto the ceiling. They're called photocatalytic oxidation. What it does is it actually helps clean the air and helps clean all the particles. We are limiting the number of people that are allowed in at a time. We are asking them to leave every 45 minutes so that we can spray. We have wipes throughout the facility, as he mentioned, that people can use to wipe before and after. We have hand sanitizer in the gym. The mask thing is a tough debate right now. We have some people that feel really strongly about it and some people who don't feel really strongly about it and don't want to. So we've implemented mask hours where there's a couple hours in the morning where it's mandatory to wear a mask to help those feel comfortable if that's what they want. And most people are still wearing a mask even not in those hours, and if they're having an issue if they're not comfortable, they can take it down for a couple seconds to take a couple deep breaths. We're cleaning so frequently that we're doing our best, and again, just encouraging everybody to wash their hands before they leave or use the hand sanitizer before they leave, just to take that extra step as well.
We're going above and beyond. We feel this is a platform for us to sort of set the standard for small businesses alike around here and even farther. When we have other businesses reaching out to us, hey, how has it been since you opened? And I spend hours on the phone with them. The message is clear. We're okay. It's time for everybody to open up. It's time for us to come together as a community and open, because there are still no guidelines or anything from above that's gonna to put us in a better position than now. We had to stop the bleeding. We did. Don't know what the next 12 months hold for us, but we're encouraging all of their businesses to do what's best for them, and we support their reopening.
See you at the gym!